As you can see here, the pak choy are coming beautifully, but I'm encountering a very serious problem. That's not grasshopper, that's not the African snail, that is the work of the birds. So I have an idea. I've been looking and observing these plants for quite a while, and what is happening is the birds are coming in from on the sides. So I have to do something ASAP, which is today. So I have this idea, which is this. I am going to erect 4 posts, 1 in each corner. I have all the plastic bags which I bought my soil in. I can't buy any polythene right now, but I'm just going to try a mock-up here today to see if the idea is going to work. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a measurement of the height of this trough, and it is exactly 11 inches. These are the bags that I purchased the soil in. I'm taking a measurement here, and it's 20, so 20 and 11 is 31. I want to leave a little air space, so I'm going to cut those posts at 36 inches. Demonstration, I got better results by holding it slant, because you're not going fully across the grain. And it's actually going to be better to insert it into the soil. I will really love to get maximum use out of this plastic bag, so I'm going to cut along both sides. Anti-pearl! So these are the 3 sides that the birds mainly coming from, but particularly this side. They're hopping from the fence and they're diving in here. Now I really want to leave some ventilation coming in to this bed, so I'm going to drape around these 3 sides and observe it. Tie straps will be the ideal thing here. I'm using tie-in wire. Next, I'm going to bend the wire in a U shape. strong wind coming in there, so I may have to stick in another prop to the center there. But in the meanwhile, let's get this tied up. Remember, this is just a makeshift. This is an experiment we're doing here. We need to see if the heat is going to affect the plants, or if it may actually improve the humidity in this bed. So it actually could improve, because this is going to raise the humidity inside of here. And we were able to make it right around the three sides. So just some stakes in the corners. I need to steady it up by putting some more soil against the post that I've created and compact it down a bit. So this is the general idea. So much you have to do to protect your crops. I also have this other pak choy bed here, and as you can see, we suffering the same fate. I am going to be trying a technique that is known on the internet. So what I'm going to do is I am going to hang a CD above this, and they say that it keeps it away. So we run different experiments. Let's see how this one is going to work. This is the CD. And I have no choice but to work with whatever materials are available here this morning. It's Monday morning and no time to wait for the store to open. It's 7:30. Got the CDs from Uncle Francis and found this piece of rope. And just as with the cooking videos, we have to learn to work with whatever we have. If I didn't find this, I would have used a mop string. Okay, so we have a piece of bamboo here. And we could just make a simple clove hitch or any knot that you know that will do the trick. So we will insert this into the ground and then we'll hang the CD. And I am going to put it close to the height of the plant, and I could always adjust this as the plants grow, but I want to keep it very low. I'm just trying one CD for now, and we will see how that works. This is an experiment that I'm doing. This is the original soil that I bought, which I find is a bit heavy for things like pak choy, celery, etc. So I have incorporated perlite and sharp sand into the mixture, and I'm trying it in this carrot case. We'll see how this goes. So I'll be planting pak choy in this, and I'll compare it to these on this side. So 2 different types of soil. Pepper trees look good for 8 days old. These save exactly 16 days. Once again, this is one type of soil, and this is basically dirt. These troughs, as you can see, I emptied this one. The soil mixture was way too heavy, so it's becoming too compact. These tomato plants are 16 days in the soil. The lettuce that you're seeing is 8 days. This fine thyme is really doing well. Actually harvest from it the day before yesterday. Believe it or not, an iguana together with some very, very aggressive birds, well, they're pruning this plant furiously. This parsley which mom planted is doing really, really well. I repotted it, added new soil, and as you can see, there's some little bandania peeping through there, and they're doing quite well. These bhaji plants are exactly 16 days old, and they are doing extremely well. We actually harvest some leaves on Saturday, and we fry that up with some eggs. It was delicious. And I successfully broke up this soil. I'll be showing you guys how I went about it. And these are scythe that we purchased, and we use the bottom parts. As you can see here, the birds have totally cut back on these sweet pepper plants. So I may have to introduce our CD close by here. I'll be keeping you guys updated as to which of these techniques are actually working. Wish me luck. Booty seeds are beginning to sprout, and in this section here I have some plants. They have been in these pots about 2 days, and as soon as they establish themselves, they may either go into the ground or into larger pots. 4 tomatoes, 4 melangen plants, eggplants. We have some pimentos, and I'm trying these 2 pak choy in this little trough. Over in this section here, these 2 pots, hybrid Karaili, and hopefully I'll run them up on this fence here. Found a really nice sunny location for some fine thyme. They're going to do quite well here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I'll be keeping you updated as I progress along. Oregano from Uncle Francis doing well. So hope you enjoyed this episode, and look out for the next video. May not necessarily be a garden video. So God bless and enjoy, guys.